In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Home button in Google Chrome on PC 2024. Start by opening Google Chrome on your PC. Once Chrome is open, look toward the lower right area of the browser window for the Customize Chrome option. Click on Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. This area gives you quick access to browser appearance and toolbar settings, so it is the place where Chrome lets you control which shortcuts and buttons are visible. After the panel opens, find and click the toolbar section. This section contains settings for items that appear in the main Chrome toolbar. If you want your browser to be easier to use, this is a useful area to become familiar with because it lets you choose which tools are available with a single click. Inside the toolbar section, look for the navigation category. Under navigation, you will see the Home option. Click the Home setting to turn it on. Once it is enabled, the Home button will appear in the Chrome toolbar. After you turn it on, you should be able to see the Home icon near the address bar area of your browser. If you do not notice it right away, give Chrome a moment and check the toolbar carefully. In most cases, it appears immediately after the setting is enabled. The Home button is useful because it gives you a quick way to return to your home page from any tab you are viewing. If you like keeping your browsing simple and organized, this is a helpful feature to have visible at all times. It can also save time if you regularly return to the same start page while working, studying, or browsing online. That is really all you need to do. Open Chrome, go to Customize Chrome, select Toolbar, and then turn on Home under Navigation. Once that is done, the Home button will be added to your browser. That covers everything you need to know.